Our planet is crying out as millions of hectares of ancient forests vanish every year, leaving behind nothing but silence and scorched, barren earth. The relentless heat of the desert expands, turning once vibrant lands into desolate graveyards, where life seems like a distant memory from a forgotten past. Yet, even in the heart of destruction, a flicker of hope remains as nature tries to reclaim its ground against the overwhelming odds of climate change. A new revolution is beginning, where the power of super technology meets the resilience of nature to awaken the sleeping giants of our lost forests. Behind every great restoration is a team of visionaries, loading the blueprints of life into massive databases to coordinate a global mission of healing. The data is ready, the systems are calibrated, and the world is about to witness the greatest technological intervention in environmental history ever attempted. With a single command, we activate a network designed to breathe life back into the wasteland, turning technology into a force for planetary rebirth. The engines of change are warming up, preparing to launch a campaign that will rewrite the future of our ecosystems and secure our tomorrow. Behold the messengers of the sky, a synchronized fleet of drones rising to meet the challenge of restoring the green lungs of our planet. No longer limited by human fatigue, these mechanical messengers carry the seeds of the future, ready to plant them where no man can reach. With the speed of a projectile and the care of a gardener, these pods are launched into the soil with incredible force and accuracy. Using advanced LiDAR sensors, the drones map the terrain in 3 dimensions, identifying the perfect cradle for every single seed to ensure maximum growth. They navigate the most treacherous landscapes with ease, dancing through narrow gorges to deliver life to the most isolated and barren regions. Each impact is a promise of a new tree, a calculated strike against deforestation that ensures the seed is buried deep enough to survive. This is a storm of life, a rain of possibilities that covers thousands of acres in a fraction of the time human hands ever could. The numbers are staggering. A single drone can plant 40,000 seeds in a day, outperforming traditional human planting methods by 10 times. While traditional planting is a slow and grueling process, these machines move with a relentless efficiency that matches the scale of our crisis. They work in perfect harmony, a digital orchestra of restoration that never sleeps and never tires until the mission is fully complete. Every pod is an engineered ecosystem designed to protect and nourish the life within until it can stand strong against the elements. On the ground, the heavy infantry of restoration takes over, crushing the hardened earth to make room for a new generation of forests. These autonomous ground vehicles possess the strength to break through the toughest soils, preparing a home for life in the harshest environments. With the precision of a surgeon, the robot places each sapling into the ground, ensuring the roots are perfectly positioned for optimal survival. The complexity of their design allows them to operate for weeks without rest, moving with a fluid mechanical grace across the uneven terrain. Integrated irrigation systems provide an immediate boost of hydration, giving these young trees the best possible start in their new home. They march across the landscape like a silent army of life, turning beige sands into corridors of green 1 mile at a time. Constant monitoring allows these machines to adapt to soil conditions in real time, adjusting their planting depth and nutrient delivery for every individual tree. The rhythmic sounds of progress echo across the desert, a symphony of industrial power dedicated entirely to the service of the natural world. From above, the transformation is undeniable, as order is restored to the chaos of a degraded landscape through mechanical precision. Darkness does not slow them down. They work through the night, fueled by a mission that is as urgent as the rising tide. Every movement is calculated to ensure the highest survival rate,
Look at the south
protecting the
grid. We have a
fragile
heat
hope we have
spike.
planted in the heart of the waste.
Running diagnostics
At the
now.
heart of this operation
Coordinates locked.
lies a digital mastermind, an artificial intelligence that serves as the supreme conductor of global restoration. The AI analyzes trillions of data points, from satellite imagery to soil moisture levels, to predict the best path for forest recovery. This is more than just code. It is a learning system that evolves with the forest, understanding the complex needs of an entire ecosystem. From hundreds of miles above, the AI tracks the growth of every individual tree, monitoring its health and alerting teams to any signs of distress. Beneath the surface, sensors transmit data about moisture and minerals, allowing the central brain to optimize growth conditions with surgical precision. By calculating the exact amount of water needed, the system reduces waste by 90%, making every drop count in thirsty landscapes. It anticipates the changing seasons and weather anomalies, adjusting the fleet's schedule to ensure that every seed is planted at the perfect moment. When problems arise, the system reacts instantly, deploying resources to where they are needed most to protect the growing forest from threats. We are witnessing the birth of a managed biosphere, a partnership between biological life and digital intelligence that secures our ecological future. The results are visible in real time, a global dashboard of recovery that shows our planet breathing easier with every passing second of data. This is the ultimate synergy, where the silicon of technology and the carbon of life work together to build a sustainable home. Technology does not replace us. It empowers us to become the architects of a better world, freeing humans from the burden of manual labor. In these workshops, the bridge between man and machine is built, as we lend our creativity to the mechanical precision of our creations. The economic impact is profound,
Look at
with
this
costs
view.
slashed
It
by
is mapping the
75%,
entire
making
area for the
large-scale
new irrigation
conservation
project.
projects viable for the first time in history.
Wow!
Local communities are being transformed as people learn to manage high-tech tools that protect their ancestral lands and provide new opportunities. The heavy lifting is gone, replaced by the pride of being the guardians of a digital-driven resurgence
We are very
that will last for
grateful.
generations
The
to come.
harvest looks promising.
This is a collaborative victory for humanity, proving that when we align our economy with ecology, everyone wins in the long run. What was once a financial burden is now a thriving investment in the health of our planet and the prosperity of our people. Restoration is becoming a new pillar of the global economy, turning the act of planting trees into a sustainable and profitable endeavor. The scale of what we can achieve is limited only by our imagination, as super technology makes the impossible dream of global healing a reality. We are no longer just survivors of a dying world. We are the active creators of a living, breathing masterpiece of planetary restoration. Behold the power of time and technology combined, as the scars of the past are woven over by the vibrant fabric of a new forest. Yet the silence of the deadlands is broken by the return of life, as animals find their way back to the sanctuaries we have rebuilt. These trees will stand as monuments to our resolve, a legacy of green that will shelter life long after we are gone from this earth. For the children of tomorrow, this is the world we leave behind. A planet that is healing and a future that is bright with hope. Our mechanical protectors will remain on watch, ensuring that the progress we have made is preserved against the challenges of the future. Every leaf is a miracle. Every forest a testament to the fact that it is never too late to fix what we have broken. The revolution is here, and it is green. We have dived into the future and brought back the life of our past to save us. This is our gift to the planet, a restoration of the balance between civilization and the natural world that sustains us all in harmony. The journey of 1,000 forests began with a single spark of technology. Now the revolution has just begun. Welcome to our green future.